Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Explainer. Let's just jump right into it today. Because if you're pouring your hard-earned cash into ads, getting hundreds of visitors to your site, but seeing absolutely zero sales, well, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're unpacking the Shopify conversion blueprint to plug the 3 silent leaks that are literally draining your ad spend. We're going to see exactly how the source material recommends turning those passive, window shopping visitors into actual, bankable profit. So let's just shatter the biggest myth in e-commerce right out of the gate. Traffic is not your problem. A lot of store owners think low sales automatically mean they just have bad traffic, so they rush out and dump more money into ads. But think about it. If your bucket has a huge hole in the bottom, pouring more water into it doesn't fix the bucket, right? It just means you're wasting water faster.
And to put that into perspective, look at this staggering reality. 90% of Shopify stores fail within their first 6 months. 90%. And you know what the crazy part is? It's almost never because they have a bad product, and it's rarely even a bad niche. It's almost always because of these silent, completely fixable mistakes that nobody really talks about.
Okay, here is our roadmap for today. We'll be covering 1, the targeting leak, 2, the storefront leak, 3, the post-purchase leak, and finally 4, the 11-day proof. Let's dive in. Starting off with section 1, the targeting leak. Stop selling to everyone. You see this mistake constantly in the sources. Someone picks a pretty decent product, but then they try to sell it to absolutely everyone. When you do that, your ads just fall flat, your copy gets super generic, and you end up resonating with no one. It's like trying to be everyone's best friend. But look at this comparison here. We have a client from the source who is running a general pet store, struggling to get any traction at all. They didn't even change their products. All they did was narrow their target audience from all pet owners to specifically anxious dog owners. Just by speaking directly to that specific person's pain points, their revenue doubled in 30 days. Pinpoint targeting immediately plugs that first major leak.
Moving on to section 2, the storefront leak, fixing the broken front door.
Now, this broken front door is where the vast majority of people just set their budgets on fire. Seriously, do not spend another dollar on Facebook ads before your store is actually ready to welcome visitors. The main culprit we're looking at here is an offer-market mismatch. Basically, this happens when a store actually has a fantastic product, but the landing page completely fails to communicate its value instantly to the visitor. That mismatch right there, that's the real reason behind those painfully low conversion rates. And you really don't have a lot of time to correct it. We're talking about the 8-second visitor test. When someone lands on your page, there are 3 specific questions firing off in their brain. Can I trust this store? Is this product actually for me? And why should I buy right now? If your page doesn't answer those 3 questions right at the top, like before they even have to scroll, that visitor is gone in 8 seconds, and they're probably not coming back.
So, how do you make sure you pass that test? The sources provide this incredibly practical 5-point pre-ad store audit. You absolutely need to check these off before running ads. First, fast loading speed. It's got to be under 3 seconds. Second, a strong headline with a super clear benefit. Third, visible social proof, which means prominent star ratings and real photos from real users. Fourth, one single unmissable call to action. And finally, your layout absolutely must be mobile optimized because let's face it, that's where everybody is shopping. Let's actually zoom in on that headline requirement for a second because it's a huge deal. A weak headline just lazily states what the product is, like luxury bamboo pillow. Honestly, nobody really cares about the pillow itself. They care about getting a good night's sleep. Now contrast that with wake up without neck pain guaranteed. Boom. It states the transformation instantly. It's night and day. And the best part is, you can literally steal this exact formula for your own store right now. It goes like this: desired outcome plus time frame plus without pain point. So you'd write something like, get clear skin in 14 days without changing your diet. It's so punchy, and it perfectly answers that internal, is this for me question the absolute second they hit the page. Okay, so what about those other 2 questions, trust and urgency? You tackle those with a few really straightforward fixes. Pop a simple trust strip right below your header. Recognizable logos or total review counts. That instantly answers, can I trust this store? Then give them a real, genuine reason to buy today. We're talking limited bundle discounts, a free gift with their order, or a 48-hour price lock. Injecting that real urgency stops those silent conversion killers dead in their tracks. All right, section 3, the post-purchase leak. This is the hidden gold mine. So this is the fix that a lot of those online gurus kind of just gloss over.
You can't just pop champagne on your first sale and then totally abandon the customer. The sources highlight this highly structured 3-step automated post-purchase email flow. Step 1 happens on day 1, a really warm thank you, the order confirmation, and a very subtle cross-sell. Step 2 goes out on day 3. You send them helpful usage tips and some user-generated content to keep them hyped while they wait for shipping. And then step 3 lands right on day 7. That's when you hit them with a tailored discount for their second purchase.
If you're sitting there wondering, is setting all that up actually worth it? Look at this number, $8,000. The source data shows a client who added exactly $8,000 in monthly revenue just by setting up that simple 3-step email sequence. And you want to know the absolute best part? It took 0 extra ad spend. They literally just plugged the leak and maximized the value of the customers they had already paid to acquire. Which brings us to Section 4, the ultimate proof, 11 days to transformation. Let's anchor all of this theory into a real-world case study from the sources. We've got this skincare brand that had been totally stuck at a miserable conversion rate for months. But instead of scrapping their whole product line, they just applied the exact tweaks we've been talking about. First, they rewrote their hero headline to highlight the outcome. Second, they moved 3 solid customer reviews right above the fold for instant trust. And third, they added a super simple urgency banner that just said, "Free glow serum with orders today." Just look at the jump in this chart. Before they made these fixes, they were hovering at a rough 0.4% conversion rate. After deploying those 3 specific adjustments, in just 11 days, their conversion rate shot up to 3.8%. I mean, that is literally night and day for a business. And that perfectly sums up the core takeaway of this entire explainer. Same traffic, same product, just a better communicating page. Success for that brand didn't come from finding some magic new product, and it definitely didn't come from funneling thousands more into Facebook ads. It was purely about clear, structured communication that immediately answered the visitor's internal questions. So as we wrap up, I want to leave you with this question to really think about. Which of the 3 silent leaks are you going to fix in your store today? Are you going to dial in that targeting, finally fix that broken storefront, or set up that hidden goldmine post-purchase flow? The choice is entirely yours, but now you actually have the blueprint to do it. Also, just as a quick heads up, the source actually offers a free no-pitch store audit. If you want a second pair of eyes on your site, you can find the link for that down in the description. Thanks so much for hanging out with me on this explainer today. Now get out there, plug those leaks, and start converting.